Replacement tools: hot air dryer, Allen wrench, cross screwdriver, U-shaped shear, Whale4 Ultra touch screen. Operation process: first, shut down the machine and unplug the power cord. Step 1. Use a hot air dryer to heat the acrylic panel. Note: if you don't have a hot air dryer, a hairdryer can be used as a substitute. Step 2. Insert a U-shaped shear along the lower right corner edge of the acrylic panel. Then slowly pry up the panel and remove it. Step 3. Use an Allen wrench to remove the 6 screws securing the metal panel, and gently remove and lay the metal panel flat. Note: be careful when removing the metal panel not to pull off the connection wires on the back. Step 4. First, peel off the black cable fixation tape. Then flip the black clip upwards to remove the screen connection cable. Use the same method to remove the left side touchscreen connection cable. Step 5. Disconnect the network cable interface connection and USB extension cable. Then pull out the 4 green connector cables at the top right. Step 6. After removing the red adhesive, pull upwards to remove the remaining cables. Note: when removing the upper and lower limit switch cables, press the clip and pull them out. Step 7. Remove the Wi-Fi antenna. Step 8. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the motherboard, and the old motherboard can now be taken out. Step 9. Remove the black tape securing the ribbon cable. Flip up the black latch to disconnect the touch screen ribbon cable on the left side of the screen. Step 10. Remove the hot melt adhesive from the corners of the touch screen. Gently push the touch screen outward to remove the old touch screen. Step 11. Take out the new touch screen, peel off the black backing adhesive, and install the new touch screen. Step 12. Reinstall the mainboard and insert all ribbon cables into their corresponding positions. Step 13. After securing the metal panel, first tighten 1 screw in the middle position. Note: be careful not to press down on the cables when installing the metal panel. Function testing. Step 1. Connect the power supply and power on the machine for testing. Step 2. Click on Tools Platform Setting Reset. Lift to test if the motor functions and limit switches are working properly. Step 3. Click on Screen Testing. Click Testing to check if the screen is properly exposed and displaying the image. When the print screen displays NOVA3D screen test and there is no flickering, the screen replacement is finished. On the contrary, if there is an abnormality, you need to turn off the power and recheck the cable connection. Step 4. After the test is complete, tighten the remaining screws securing the metal panel, and align the acrylic panel with the touchscreen and switch position, then glue it in place.